Hey Dad, how do you bend 3-inch PVC conduit?
Well, you caught me right at the right time. So we got this from Racketeers.
Yeah.
And this is like a big slinky. So really, it says it's a cold bend. You can bend this. It says put it over your knee and bend it. Well, let's see how we can do it. But so this is rated for 3-inch, and here we have a stick of 3-inch.
Yeah.
Is this schedule 40?
Schedule 40.
Good.
You're
Okay.
telling me you can bend this by hand?
Yeah.
With that?
Yep.
Whoa.
So what we're gonna do is I need my bend. I need a small bend because I have the bell end on that side.
Okay.
And this needs to be elevated up, and I want the weather to pass over the bell end. So this is the side right here.
Okay.
And let's see how we can bend up this pipe. Yep.
Bang. You're good.
All right, so I'm gonna stick this in.
Wait.
And then I'm gonna just push up.
Whoa.
That's amazing. It says you can use your knee.
No way. No way.
Yeah, look at this.
What? What?
Here, come over here.
What the? How is that even possible? No way. Whoa. That Slinky did that?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh my, wow. That's
It's a little bit,
amazing. That's amazing. That's a 45 right there.
Well, I wanted a 45.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Should be
That's incredible.
45.
Wow. How does that Slinky do that? How does Slinky do that?
Not bad, huh?